Dear students, welcome to the session of harmonics, that is unit 4 under power quality. Today we are going to study what are the conclusions from studies. One study group was formed comprising of different students, teachers, researchers, scholars, and they conducted studies by visiting harmonic installations or installations where there are more harmonics. So their conclusion is drawn here, and which is quite helpful for our studies in harmonic measurement and harmonic analysis. The first conclusion which was drawn was about KWH, which is very important parameter. KWH is the billing parameter for any consumer. So it was found that whenever there is a higher harmonics, the KWH consumption is recorded lesser. That is a matter of concern, and therefore it is a sort of setback to the utility who feels that there is some problem with consumption. It is observed through series of experiments that higher order harmonics result into recording of lesser consumption. Therefore, care should be taken that harmonic should be lesser. This was supported by one experiment, the sample of which is shown here, that this is the set of readings showing different parameters like VTHD, V, ITHD, I, power factor, I3, I5, I7 and power. So it was observed that whenever there is a lesser THD, the consumption recorded is more, and whenever there is a more THD, the consumption recorded is lesser. So this is really a matter of concern for utilities because they will have to there will be loss of revenue. So this experiment was conducted as BMC Software Pune, and the observations were revealed like this. Next is regarding seasons. The harmonic measurements were conducted in all the three seasons like summer, winter and rainy season. So it was seen that harmonics are more in rainy season, and comparatively the harmonics are lesser in other seasons. So that was one of the findings of the studies, of the group of studies. Then it was found that there is a failure of lightning arrestor which are in the vicinity of nonlinear loads, and particularly 132 kV Mundwa substation or 220 kV Hinjwadi substations were visited, and it was revealed there that the harmonics, due to harmonics, there is a trend in the failure of lightning arresters. So as you know that lightning arrestor comprises of series of elements and nonlinear resistor. So the nonlinear resistance offers higher impedance or higher resistance during the flow of normal power frequency current. But whenever there is a harmonic current flowing, like third, fifth, seventh, then the nonlinear resistor becomes conductive, and it attracts all the current through it, and because of which there is a failure of lightning arrestor. As can be seen here that IL is 4 times I3, that is the leakage current is 4 times third harmonic current, and therefore it will record 4 times of third harmonic current, which is very high and sufficient to cause failure of lightning arrestor. This was seen through the leakage current measurement unit LCM, and it was revealed there that the harmonics are more. So in this way IR equal to 4 times I3 is the important equation which is a basic for finding out leakage current uh, or giving empirical relationship between third harmonic and leakage current. It was also seen in some experiments that at extra high voltage or EHV or UHV, ultra high voltage, the harmonics are lesser. At the same time, they are more at 11 kV, 22 kV, and 33 kV levels. That was one of the findings. One important finding is because distance. So distance and harmonics are inversely proportional. Harmonics are more near nonlinear load, and as you go away from nonlinear load, there is a reduction in the harmonics. For to support this, some experiments were conducted, like SPSL is the consumer who is fed from two loads, whose load is fed from, sorry, two sources. One is Ranjangaon and other is Theur. Ranjangaon is feeding to Whirlpool, Whirlpool is feeding to Electrosmelt, and Electrosmelt is feeding to SPSL. In the second circuit, Sanaswadi is feeding to Theur, and Theur is feeding to SPSL. One experiment was conducted where simultaneous measurements were recorded by engaging different batches and having different measuring instruments like harmonic analyzers. So it was observed that ITHD and VTHD respectively are more, that is 9.2 at SPSL, that is consumer end, and as you go away it becomes lesser, like 7 1.7, 5 1.5, 3 1.4, and even at Saraswati 6 1.6 and 2.9 1.2. So it was concluded from these experiments that there is a reduction in harmonics as you go away from the nonlinear loads, that is the source of harmonics. One more experiment was conducted at Mundwa substation, who is having two nonlinear consumers, nonlinear loads, Bharat Forge and Kalyani Steel. As can be seen here, that Lonikan, Theur, Fursungi, Mundwa. This is the path. So at Mundwa, harmonics were more, and as you go away, there is a substantial rate reduction in harmonics. That it as load it was 1.4, 1.7 respectively for ITHD, VTHD, and as you go away, like at Fursungi 3.5, 0.8, at Theur 3%, 6.6%, and at Lonikan it was only 2% and 0.5%. So in this way, going away from the load will cause reduction in the total harmonic distortion for voltage and current. So these were the findings from studies. So I think you have, I hope you have understood the topic, and we'll be meeting in the next video, for that is video 7. This was video 6 for further studies. So thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.